upcoming artist venyika Chillmaster vawirwa nedambudziko mushure mekunge vaita accident nemota ndokutsika munhu achibva angoshaikira ipapo. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Ingwa inorwadza atozonyora pafacebook pake nekuti nyaya dzacho dzatotanga kuita marounds kuti pana upcoming vatsika munhu nemota. So vanyora ivo 3 hours ago vakati, it is with profound sorrow and a heavy heart that I address you today. Earlier today, I was involved in a devastating car accident that resulted kupera kweupenyu weumwe mwana. Words cannot express the depth of my grief, remorse and sympathy for the individual who passed away, their family and loved ones. I'm fully cooperating with authorities on this tragedy, and I will continue to do so transparently. Right now, my focus is on respecting privacy yemhuri yashaikirwa and supporting them in any way possible during this unimaginably difficult time. There is no justification for the pain this has caused, and I take full responsibility for my actions and will carry the weight of this loss with me for the rest of my life. I ask for forgiveness, though I understand it may never come, and I vow to honor the memory of the life lost through reflections, accountability, and actions that align with the gravity of this moment. Out of respect for the family and the ongoing legal process, I will not be commenting further publicly. I humbly ask for privacy for all affected as we navigate this tragedy. To my fans and supporters, thank you for your understanding as I step back to reflect, grieve, and focus on doing what is right. Please hold the victim and their loved ones in your heart with the deepest humility, Chillmaster. So guys, ndo dambudziko rawira mukomana. Hey, zvakaoma guys. May our prayers sustain and comfort you, your family, and the victim's family. Zvinorwadza chokwadi. It is painful. May God protect you, my brother, and may the family be comforted. I'm very sorry that you are going through this, and God knows it wasn't done by intention or purpose. Don't stop praying, my brother. God loves you. Ndiyo hora yawazopinda iyi, kwete imwe hora iya yawakamboimba paya. Miyedzo yacho yakaoma, unenge uchiti uri kutosumuka necareer yako, then obva wangowirwa nechinhu chakadai. So it is truly heartbreaking. It takes courage to speak out in a moment like this, praying for the family of the victim and newewo wacho. Don't be too hard on yourself. My accidents anongoitika, just that this one might blow out because in a profile wombe. But just remember, there are a lot of people out there who still love and understand you. Don't be too hard on you. Since usida kuzita intentionally, guys, chinhu chinonzi guilt chinokupedza. Unopedzera watowira mune zvimwe zvinhu zvawanga usingaiti nguva yese. Pamwe munhu anotobreaka down zvokutopinda mumitoriro nezvimwe zvakadaro kuedza kuescape guilt. But aiwa panguva yakadai so kuda unofanira kumira wotongo ita zviripo one day at a time kusvika zvadarika. We wish you strength and comfort during this difficult time. Take care and get well soon. Sending love and support to the family affected. And please, kana zvaita, just seek counseling. Kuti ugogona accept to process and have peace throughout zvese zviri kuitika.